That's amazing. Here we go into the market.
Here we go.
What is that?
This is going to be one of our ports.
Hi, pork.
So he's just saying hello to everyone and welcoming everyone onto Batu.
See all the creatures from all these. Should I get something here? Or should I wait? No? Okay, I'll wait.
I'm on it, Doc. Pilot error, got accidentally rerouted. It's on its way back.
Okay, I think we're getting closer to the Millennium Falcon. Well, this is exciting. There it is.
It is.
Alright, we're heading into Smuggler's Run.
We are.
75 minutes. Oh my goodness.
Awesome. Yeah. Your mask on, please. We're going to go right behind the pilots. 9 engineers are going to go right behind the gun.
Can we wander around or?
Yeah, you can walk around. Just head back over there after, okay?
Alright, sounds good. Oh wow.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Fire the harpoon! Gunners, fire the harpoon! Cargo breathe! Pilot brakes! Well, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends!
Why does that pirate Onaka want the Millennium Falcon?
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get out there! They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
If anyone's taking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are boys! Wait! It's bad!
Don't shoot us.
Should I buy the stormtroopers a blue milk? They work harder.
No.
Blue milk? Blue milk? Can't lie.
Let's go!
Oh, that's right out of my childhood. All right, I guess we'll do it a little bit later. See you soon. So try to come back here at night.